Welcome to the Bike Review. In this video, we're diving into the future of motorcycling with 8 extraordinary bikes that redefine innovation. These futuristic machines combine cutting-edge technology, sustainable solutions, and jaw-dropping designs that will leave you in awe. Let's explore the future on 2 wheels. The Damon Hypersport is more than just a superbike, it's a technological marvel. This electric motorcycle features Shift, a patented system that adapts the handlebars, seat, and foot pegs on the go. Its co-pilot system uses cameras and sensors to detect road hazards, ensuring safety. With 200 horsepower and a top speed of 200 miles per hour, the Hypersport delivers thrilling performance with 0 emissions, boasting a range of 200 miles per charge. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 is designed to make motorcycling safer and more accessible. Featuring a self-balancing system, this bike eliminates the risk of tipping over, even at low speeds. It has a futuristic frame that adapts to steering movements and a visor that provides an augmented reality display. BMW envisions a world where riders can enjoy the thrill of motorcycling without worrying about safety gear or accidents. The Arc Vector combines advanced technology with luxurious craftsmanship. Built with a lightweight carbon fiber body, this electric motorcycle offers a range of 200 miles and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. Its human interface system includes a heads-up display helmet and haptic feedback jacket, which enhances the rider's connection to the bike. It's the epitome of sophistication and performance. The Kawasaki J concept challenges traditional motorcycle design with its futuristic shape-shifting capability. This 3-wheeled hybrid vehicle adjusts its riding position based on speed and terrain. For sporty rides, it switches to a low, aerodynamic stance, while a more upright position ensures comfort for long journeys. Powered by a hybrid electric system, the J concept combines innovation with versatility. Harley-Davidson's Livewire is a bold step into the electric future. Known for its iconic gas-powered cruisers, Harley has embraced sustainability with this high-performance electric motorcycle. The Livewire offers instant torque, a top speed of 110 miles per hour, and a range of 146 miles on a single charge. Its sleek design and cutting-edge features are a testament to Harley's commitment to evolving with the times. Although still a concept, the Tesla Model M sparks curiosity among enthusiasts. Inspired by Tesla's groundbreaking innovations in electric vehicles, the Model M promises unmatched battery technology, self-balancing features, and an intelligent AI system for autonomous riding. If Tesla enters the motorcycle market, the Model M could revolutionize the industry with its unique approach to electric mobility. The Yamaha Motoroid is a futuristic bike that blurs the line between machine and companion. This AI-powered motorcycle recognizes its owner, responds to commands, and even balances itself when stationary. The Motoroid's sleek design and advanced features showcase Yamaha's vision of creating bikes that integrate seamlessly with riders' lifestyles. Honda's Riding Assist E is a compact electric motorcycle designed for urban commuting. It uses self-balancing technology to keep the bike upright, making it perfect for beginners or crowded city streets. The minimalist design and user-friendly features emphasize practicality without sacrificing innovation, proving that futuristic bikes can also be accessible. From self-balancing marvels to electric pioneers, these 8 motorcycles showcase the limitless possibilities of future mobility. The combination of sustainability, innovation, and breathtaking designs makes each bike a unique glimpse into what's next for the motorcycling world. Don't forget to subscribe to the Bike Review for more exciting content about the latest bikes, trends, and technologies. Which futuristic motorcycle impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below.